today I'm back again with another video. This time I am trying out a DIY mask, peel-off mask. Hey. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Lydia. So before we go into the video, I wanted to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate. And right now as we're speaking, we are over 200. I think we are 230 something. But I would like to thank you guys so much. I honestly did not believe I would get 100 subscribers anytime soon, but I am so grateful to you guys who subscribe. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please click on the subscription button down below and join the family. Let's grow together, guys. So today I'm back again with another video, and this time I wanted to try out DIY peel off face mask. So last time I showed you guys how you can exfoliate your face using a toothbrush. For those who haven't yet checked out that video, please just hop into my channel. You'll see it. It was so helpful to me, and I do that every day for my face. But this time I wanted to try out peel off mask because I have been getting these breakouts for the past couple of months, and they have been so horrible. So I thought this was the perfect time for me to do it. I watched a YouTube channel of somebody doing it. Like, they used egg whites and some tissue, and it really worked for them, and I thought maybe I would try it out. I'll try it out and see whether I can get rid of these breakouts. Like, let me zoom in a bit for you guys to see. You can see this around my nose. I have like black heads, white heads everywhere. You see this? This is a breakout that I've never got. There's one here. There's another one here. I thought this was the perfect time for me to try out the peel off mask. And right here I have the egg whites. I just have the egg whites here. Just use the fork a little bit. Then I got my brush that I'm going to use. This is too small, but I feel like it will do the job for me. Then I got some tissue. So she says separate it into two. That's what I'm going to do. Let's separate it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my egg white. Let me zoom in a bit so that you guys see. So this is the egg white. God, the lighting is so bad. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and just apply it on the face. Oh my god, it smells so bad. But so let me first try this one part. She says you have to be really quick about it because the egg white can dry. So then you just place your tissue just on top, just like that. So then you go ahead and just reapply the egg white on top of the tissue. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Hey guys, so I believe it has dried now. As you can see, I can hardly even open my mouth to speak, but let's just go ahead and peel it off. I'm trying as hard as I can to get it off in one piece. So it has taken off a little bit of the white heads and the black heads, but I guess maybe this is because of because this is the first time I'm using it, but I can really see like around the nose. You guys will not be able to see it, but I can see it around the nose and the chin because that was where it was much. And this mask as well helps remove hair. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing this, I think maybe once a week, and I swear that it really works for me. So guys, that was it for this video. If you really like the video, please chat with me in the comment sections below. Tell me what you use for your black heads and white heads, because girl, I really need that for my face. And yeah, that is just it. I'm just going to go ahead and wash my face and maybe apply some moisturizer, and then I'll try this again and see for about a month whether it really works, whether it will really remove everything, because right now it has removed a little bit, but I know if I continue using it, it will definitely clear everything. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please check on me in the comment sections below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please click on the subscription button down below. My goal for this month is to make at least 300 subscribers, and right now I'm on 230 something, but I'm really hoping and relying on you guys that whoever watches my video, if you like it, and if you don't like it yet, please, I guarantee you I am going to be making the best content for you guys, and let me know what you want me to make for you guys in the comment sections below. So if you haven't yet subscribed and you're viewing this video, click on the subscription button down below and join the family. So till next time, bye.